Are you trying to decide between AppSheet and AppScript? You are not alone. Many people want to know which tool is better for their needs. In this video, we'll compare AppSheet and AppScript. Both are useful tools, but they serve different purposes. AppSheet is a no-code platform. It helps users create apps without needing to write any code. You can build apps for data management, workflows, and more. It's great for those who want to quickly develop applications. On the other hand, AppScript is a scripting language. It allows you to automate tasks in Google Workspace apps. You can create custom functions, automate spreadsheets, and even connect different Google services. This is perfect for users who are comfortable with some coding. Now, let's look at the main differences. AppSheet focuses on app creation without coding, while AppScript requires some coding knowledge. If you want a simple way to build apps, AppSheet is your best bet. But if you need to automate tasks and customize Google Apps, AppScript is the way to go. When it comes to features, AppSheet offers a user-friendly interface with templates. You can easily drag and drop elements. AppScript, however, gives you more control. You can write scripts to tailor solutions to your specific needs. Pricing is another factor to consider. AppSheet usually has a subscription model, while AppScript is free to use but may have limits based on usage. So, who should choose what? If you're a non developer looking to create apps quickly, go with AppSheet. But if you're comfortable with coding and need to automate tasks, choose AppScript. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.